Hi folks, welcome back. Well, we're out in the alley. It's first dry day that I've had in a wee while that I've not been working. So we're going to have a go at fitting this door seal rubber that I got from Mr. Merkel. Got this about 2.5 weeks ago, and as I say, each day I've had a chance to do anything, it's been pissing it down. So I'm going to clean out the channel that it fits into it and see if we can get it fitted. Yesterday wasn't such a great day, so I carried on with some wiring inside. This is a hardwired switch, two-way switch. So I'll push it up the way, you get the reversing camera, and the other one you get the blind spot camera. It's not really wired the way I want it because I'm having to use the AV input for the blind spot camera. Yeah, there's an activation wire to activate the screen for the reversing camera, and when I put them onto both, you get a back feed and it tries to operate both cameras at the same time. So I'll see if there's any way around it, but for now I'll just deal with it the way it is. So I'll get on with cleaning these channels out to see if I can fit these rubbers, and I'll report back once I've had a go at fitting one door. Also, been trying out positions for the new horns. I'm having 2 sets of these somewhere on the roof. I don't know whether they're going to go on the side of the roof rack or whether they're actually going to go on the curvature of the roof. We'll see. For now, as I say, we'll get on with these rubbers, and Simba, stop bloody scratching. A nightmare, this dog. So anyway, as I say, the rubber looks like decent quality, so I'll have a go at fitting it. As I say, the van's manky with that more of this bloody Sahara rain. It's covered everything in bloody sand. I also got a nice tyre paint pens, and they're not a bad match, so when they do the wheels I'll do the lettering because all six wheels are of the same tyre brand, so should look sort of interesting. So anyway, had a play, not as easy. I've got this bit here where it flutes in from the bend there right down to the flute at the side of the van. It squeezes a bit. The existing rubber had like scallops out of it, and I think I'm going to need to do the same thing. I've managed to get this side fairly good. There's only one wee bit that was a bit iffy, but because this side is behind the hinge and behind the retaining strap, it's really awkward. But just that one bit there, I even tried the same as the old one and scalloping a bit out the rubber, but it still doesn't want to go. But it's I'm running out of time because I've got to pick the missus up. Sandra she goes to her mum's on a Sunday, so I go and pick her up normally about 5 o'clock ish. So, and Grand Prix day, so I'll just call it a day at that and tidy up the tools and put them away and get back to it another day. But definitely not as easy as it looks. And as I say, that bloody Sahara rain, look at the state of the van, look, it's absolutely filthy. Anyway, onward and upward. She's still looking smart. This dog, he's always chewing or scratching. Anyway, are we in me on the horns? I think you can say they're going to be loud enough. and no compressor needed either. So they're straight 12 volt horns, 4 of them. So yeah, it should be, shall we say, loud enough. A decent quality. They're stainless steel, they're not plastic or anything, so fingers crossed they don't rust in Blackpool's real salty air climate. They look the part, so yeah, I'm quite happy with them. I'm really quite happy with them. They sound good. Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Take care out there, people. Ta-ra for now.